In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this series of videos, I will explain how to deal and programming e-commerce sites, using Laravel, and how to integrate between Laravel and WordPress, the goal of this series. It is clarifying the extent of the strength the two schools of WordPress website and Laravel websites. Both schools of developers will change their mind when they know the new methods to get the capabilities of the two parties together. For example, WordPress developers can create web pages through Laravel Way to get more secure websites. Because of that Laravel folder, not so easy to be accessed. So any hacker will not know that this site depends on WordPress, on the basis. And for the developers of Laravel, we'll have a lot of WordPress plugins benefits, and so strong database with a lot of data self-made by the plugins. The capabilities of both schools can be combined to have a stronger combination. And that's important for us as a programmers and developers. We will create an store that can be used to create a database so fast that will give us all the requirements of e-commerce sites with easiest way. One of the capabilities is that the requirements is easily to make for Laravel developer, in addition to the ability to enter data very quickly and accurately for the products and all its requirements, from classifications, prices, and many others, with a guarantee that there will be no security problem, because no one is able to access this data in the database. We start to install the Composer, one of the most important requirements for dealing with Laravel, to create your own projects. We also occupy internal or local server, and many other requirements. We press install for the first user, then we press next, then we choose to issue the through server, then bin, then PHP, then we choose the version of PHP. We start creating a Laravel project for an store as follows. In WAMP server, it can be used in the same way through XAMPP local server, but I will use a WAMP in this project. So we open CMD or terminal inside the following folder. We write the following famous code used to create the project, then the name of the store, e-commerce store. Then we create another project, inside the folder with the following name and vice versa. After the requirements come out, we open the studio video code, we add the project to it, we also add the other project to it,